Last clip.
Wait, how you do it?
Turn around. Look at the screen.
How do I push play? Oh, it's playing. Well, it's done.
All right.
24 hours later. It's ready to ride.
Nice.
How light's that thing?
2 pounds.
Where's the
Don't need mayhem to put in the spin ball.
Yeah.
It's gonna blow tail with this thing.
Yeah, that thing's sick, dude.
Hello.
Yeah.
Nice. A little bit more settled today. Wow. Top flight.
Top flight.
Hold it with one hand.
Get it. Get one.
Get one. Get you held the Hobbit. WayneSurfboards.com. WestSurfboards.com.
Alright. That's it.
Blowtail.
Done deal. How do you turn it off?